I'll check if what can I have here. English. Takeaway. Maybe I'll just take this one. What they call this? This nuggets. The medium size. That's how I like it. Please continue. Coca-Cola. You can choose up to one. Maybe this one. That's how I like it. Please continue. Onion rings, 5 pieces. Maybe I'll try this one. Ranch wings also. Ooh. Ooh la la. Excellent. Yes. I finished. Continue to payment. Name. Enter name. John. You can call me John for short. Continue. What's this? I don't know what's this. Excuse me, do you speak? What's this? After I finish this one? This? Okay. I finished. Continue to payment. No, John, continue to payment. Please wait. No, English. Yes. Confirm. This one. Philippines. Yes. Payment. I will pay cash. Is this the cash? Cash. Yes, send the order. Yes, send the order. The order has been placed. Take the stuff to the cashier. Wait. Hi. I need help. I don't know if I press the right. Thank you. I asked her help because I don't know. This is my first time to order here, and I'll show you later what I ordered. Okay? Here. I'm not sure if but I placed the order already.
Sit here or take away?
Take away.
You want hamburger, schnitzel, nuggets?
Do I need to repeat? I do like this already. Yeah.
Okay.
And then they say, yeah. Nuggets and 73. Okay.